Hey friends, TUXX here. This is part 2 of my series for the AKEEYO high-tech mirror. And what this particular mirror is a high-tech camera mirror, which allows you to use cameras in many ways, both inside and outside the car. Now, if you haven't seen my unboxing video, check that video. It's back in my queue, and you can actually see a deep dive into all the goodies that come with this particular model, because it really does come with a lot of stuff. It's feature-rich and really extra rich with all sorts of things, everything from, mounts and extra pieces for mounting wires, cable management, trim tools, even crazy things that you wouldn't think would come with it, like, screen covers, keychains, all sorts of goodies in the box. You really have to see this video to see all the amazing things that come with it. But for this particular video, I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into the driving element. Now, of course, we know from the previous video, it looks beautiful. I mean, nice colors, very rich, vibrant video, looks great. But I didn't actually get around to showing you the nighttime driving, okay? And that is one thing where a lot of cameras really fail at it. They really do. And this camera excels at driving at night, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and hit the street here, and I wanna show you some video footage of what this camera looks like driving at night, okay? We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in the C7 Corvette right now. We're going to do a little night trial, if you will. I have the dash cam hooked up right over here to the side for easy access. And we're going to take a look here down the road. We have a van right way down there. And we're going to take a look. See how dark that is? This is like the normal Sony camera. This is about a $1,000 camcorder, okay? So you can see it really does look dark. Like it'd be hard to identify people. But when you look at the actual dash cam, that's incredibly bright, okay? And that's me shooting off of the dash cam. So when you see the actual footage, it is even brighter. So now we're going to go ahead and switch to the dash cam here, and we're going to move up on this van. We're going to kind of pull up here on that van right there. So here goes, guys, this little test. We'll do a little night drive. I'm going to be quiet during this test so you guys can kind of see how this goes. So anyway, let's go ahead and just slowly pull forward here. You can see how crisp and bright that is. Like, this really looks like daytime. This camera is excellent for night. You can really see if someone jumps out from you. I mean, the carjackings are on the rise. You can actually see who's in front of you, even though it's actually quite dark out. This is like a very dark park right now. So to be able to see this good in the dark is really quite exceptional. I mean, you can totally see what's happening there. Right now, this is like the outside of the car. You can see very bright in the dash cam, but if you look outside, this is like the dead of night. This is very dark outside. It'd be really hard to identify anyone coming through the park there, coming to carjack you, mug you, whatever. But with this camera, you can see nighttime becomes day. Oh my gosh, this is some amazing video, guys. Looks so crisp, very good. I mean, look at that. You can really see everything going around you. It really is a true testament to the technology that this can do good in low light, because a lot of cameras, again, they really blur, they fail, they get pixely and just bad with low light. But this AKEEYO here does excellent with low light, which is really important too, because if you think about it, the majority of vandalism happens at night. And if someone's going to hit and run your car, the likeliness of that happening at nighttime is greatly increased. If it's dark out, people think, oh, no one's going to see me, I get away with it. And that's again where this comes in. So this is available on Amazon, and there's going to be a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? All right, friends, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. This could make an amazing Christmas gift. I mean, think of that person who loves their car, maybe someone who does like Uber or Lyft driving and needs to have security. It's good for all sorts of things. And this is the type of thing where they can mount it just the way they want it. If they want to have more interior camera stuff, if they want to point the cameras outside the car, they can do that. Heck, you can even use this for like tracking like high curbs, that kind of thing. You don't want to break up your rims, get rim rash from driving too close to the side. You can use this for blind spot detection. You can use it for all sorts of great things. Really versatile tool to help protect your investment in your car, and God forbid if anything bad does happen, at least then you'll have some video evidence of what happened. And again, a lot of video cameras fail in the dark, but this bad boy here does great in the dark, okay? So it's got you covered daytime, and it's got you covered nighttime, okay? Again, if you guys have any question about the AKEEYO, please let me know in the comments below. You know I'm here to help you. TUXXtoys@gmail.com. And of course, click that link. The Amazon link is right below, so you can click that link and get the very best price. And if you haven't seen my other video with a deep dive unboxing of all the goodies that come with this cam, be sure and check out the other video, and you can check out all the amazing things, because this, honestly, out of all the cameras I've reviewed and I've owned, this one comes with the most extras. It really is everything you need in one box, okay? All right, friends, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good one. We'll talk to you soon. Click the link. Bye-bye.